आपण पाहणार आहोत जावास्क्रिप्टमधला आरे टॉपिक जो काल चालू केला होता त्याचा पुढला पार्ट. नाव लेट अस सी डिफाइनिंग अँड आरे एलिमेंट. What we are going to see, defining an array element. Now array element we can define after declaration. Okay, array element can define after declaration, and defining array element means we have to assign the values to the array element. Now we can assign the values to the array element in two ways. This is the first way and this is the second way. Okay. Now the in first way, what we are doing, just we are writing the array name, assignment operator, and inside the square bracket we are writing the values 1 2 3. For example, suppose the array name is color. Now values are orange, red, like this. If we calculate the size of this array using color dot length, we can get it 2. Now this is a one way. Now second way, this is a firstly we have to declare the array. This is a statement which is declaring the array. After that we have to use this syntax for assigning each element. Assigning each element value. Now for example, color of 0 is equal to orange. Means orange, this is a value we have assigned. Orange, this is a value we have assigned to the color. Then red is a value which is assigned to the color of 1, and green is a value is assigned to the array element color of 2. Color of 0, color of 1 and color of 2. These are the array element. Okay. Now let us see example. Let us see the example of this one first of all. Now example is like this. Now here head tag is defined, HTML head. In body, inside the body we are defining opening and closing script tag. Inside the script tag we are using here array name and the values. Now orange and red. Now here color is array is created having two size 2 and having two values orange and red. Orange is present at the location color of 0. If we are printing this value using document.write method color of 0, we are getting orange. After that we are giving the break tag so that it goes to the next line control. Then color of 1. Color of 1 will print the value red. Then break next line. Then color dot length, it will print the value of size 2. Okay. If we run this program within the web browser, we have to save this program using a .html extension. And if we run the program with the help of web browser, we are getting like this output orange, red, 2. Okay. Now let us see the next program that is related to the this one example. Declaring array, then assigning the values. Now in this manner we are going to see this example. Now here HTML head body. Okay, now script tag, here we have defined the array. Then we are assigning the values to each array element 0 1 2, where we are defining 3 array elements, values 3 red, green, blue. Now if we are displaying this value using document.write method color of 0, it will display red. Then break tag causes control to the next line. Then color of 1, printing the value green. Break tag inside the document.write method causes control goes to the next line. Now color dot length, it will display the length of array. Now here red, green, blue, that means it will display the length 3. If we run this program with the help of web browser, we are getting the output, we are getting the output like this, red, green, 3. We are getting the output red, green, 3. Now why 3? Because size is 3. In the previous program, if we see this program having size 2 orange and red, so that output is 2 here. And in this program, what is happening? Red, green, blue, size 3 elements, so that size is printed here, printed is 3 here. Now next point, initialization of array element. Next point is initializing an array. Now here initializing array means assigning values to array. Now assigning values to array. Now here we have seen two examples where array name, assignment operator, new array, and the list of values we are specifying here. This is the one way. Second way is also little bit different, where array name inside the square bracket we are defining the list of values. So these are the two ways for initializing an array. First is where array name new array, and second where array name inside the square bracket list of values. Okay, now let us see the example of this one. Now here we have defined array of both examples. After that we are displaying the values of this array name, array number, by writing this array name inside the document dot write. Again break tag causes to the next line. Again next array name, array number 1, displaying the document dot write. Okay, now if we run this program, we are getting this output. Now next point, looping an array. Now looping an array means what? Looping an array is used for accessing the value of each array element. Here what we are doing, if we see this program, here what we are doing, array name dot length. Array name dot length is a parameter is used, and array name dot of I is displaying the value of each array element. If we see this example, document dot write array number of I. Here array name is array number of I, and break tag. This will display this value 1, 2, 3, 4 separately to the next line. Okay, in this manner. Okay, so I hope that you understand all the concepts, and you will write this all the things and send me the as early as